How do you wish to expand your audiences as a content creator? Did you know that you can save time, enhance and increase your productivity using AI? Let me help you. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over the ultimate side hustle for content creators. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, content creators are constantly seeking innovative ways to stand out and engage their audiences. Enter artificial intelligence, or AI, which has emerged as the ultimate side hustle for creators looking to elevate their content game. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can help you brainstorm ideas, optimize your writing, or even generate stunning visuals, all at the click of a button. AI tools are designed to streamline the creative process, allowing you to focus on what you do best: creating compelling content. The relevance of AI in content creation cannot be overstated. With the sheer volume of information available online, creators need to find ways to capture attention quickly and effectively. AI can analyze trends, suggest topics, and even tailor content to specific audiences, making it easier than ever to connect with viewers. By leveraging AI tools, you can save time, enhance creativity, and ultimately increase your productivity. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, embracing AI can unlock new opportunities and help you thrive in the competitive world of content creation. Understanding AI tools. As content creators navigate the ever-evolving digital landscape, several AI tools have emerged as game changers. One of the most popular is ChatGPT, a powerful language model that can assist in generating ideas, drafting scripts, or even crafting engaging social media posts. By using ChatGPT, creators can streamline their writing process, allowing for quicker turnaround times and more polished content. Another standout tool is DALL-E, which specializes in generating unique images from text prompts. This can be particularly useful for creators looking to enhance their visual content without the need for extensive graphic design skills. Imagine being able to create eye-catching thumbnails or illustrations simply by describing what you envision. Jasper is another noteworthy AI tool that focuses on marketing copy and content generation. It helps creators optimize their writing for SEO, ensuring that their content reaches a wider audience. By integrating these tools into their workflow, creators can save time, boost creativity, and maintain a consistent output. Whether you're brainstorming ideas or producing final drafts, leveraging AI tools can significantly enhance your content creation process. Content creation with AI has revolutionized the way content creators generate ideas and drafts, making the brainstorming process more efficient and inspiring. To start, creators can input specific keywords or topics into AI tools like ChatGPT, which then generates a variety of content ideas tailored to their niche. This not only saves time, but also opens the door to fresh perspectives that creators might not have considered. For example, an AI tool can help generate blog post outlines, social media captions, or even video scripts. Imagine receiving a list of engaging titles for your next YouTube video or a detailed outline for a podcast episode, all crafted in seconds. Additionally, AI can assist in drafting full articles or scripts, providing a solid foundation that creators can refine and personalize. However, while AI-generated content can be a fantastic starting point, human oversight is crucial. Creators must review and edit the output to ensure it aligns with their voice and brand. This combination of AI efficiency and human creativity leads to high-quality content that resonates with audiences, making the most of both worlds. Enhancing engagement with AI. In the quest for deeper audience engagement, AI has become an invaluable ally for content creators. One of the key ways AI enhances engagement is through analytics tools that provide insights into audience behavior. These tools analyze data such as viewing patterns, preferences, and interactions, helping creators understand what resonates with their audience. By leveraging this information, creators can tailor their content strategies to better meet audience needs. AI also excels in personalizing content for different audience segments. By analyzing demographic data and user behavior, AI can suggest specific topics, formats, or styles that appeal to various groups. For instance, a creator might use AI to develop targeted email campaigns that speak directly to the interests of different subscriber segments, increasing the likelihood of engagement. Additionally, AI can help create interactive content experiences that captivate audiences. Tools like chatbots can facilitate real-time conversations, while AI-generated quizzes or polls can encourage participation. By integrating these interactive elements, creators can foster a sense of community and keep their audience engaged, ultimately leading to stronger connections and increased loyalty. Embracing AI in these ways can transform how creators interact with their audiences. Monetizing AI-enhanced content. As content creators harness the power of AI, they also unlock new avenues for monetization. One effective strategy is affiliate marketing, where creators promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale generated through their unique links. AI can enhance this process by analyzing audience preferences and suggesting the most relevant products to promote, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Sponsorships are another lucrative option. With AI-optimized content that resonates with specific audience segments, creators can attract brands looking to reach those demographics. By leveraging AI tools to produce high-quality targeted content, creators can demonstrate their value to potential sponsors, leading to more lucrative partnerships. Several successful creators have already embraced AI for monetization. For instance, a popular YouTuber used AI to analyze viewer engagement and optimize their video titles and descriptions, resulting in a significant increase in views and ad revenue. Similarly, a blogger utilized AI-generated insights to refine their affiliate marketing strategy, leading to a substantial boost in commissions. By integrating AI into their monetization strategies, creators can maximize their revenue potential while delivering content that truly resonates with their audience. Ethical considerations. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into content creation, it's essential to address the ethical implications that accompany its use. One of the most critical aspects is transparency. Creators should be open about when and how they use AI-generated content, ensuring that their audience understands the role AI plays in their creative process. This transparency fosters trust and helps maintain a genuine connection with viewers. Another important consideration is the potential for biases in AI tools. AI systems are trained on vast data sets, which can inadvertently reflect societal biases. To mitigate this, creators should actively evaluate the outputs of AI tools and be vigilant about the content they produce. Regularly reviewing and refining the data used to train these systems can help reduce bias and ensure more equitable representation in content. Finally, responsible use of AI is crucial for maintaining authenticity. While AI can enhance creativity and efficiency, it should not replace the unique voice and perspective of the creator. By balancing AI assistance with personal insights and experiences, creators can produce content that resonates with their audience while upholding ethical standards and fostering trust in their work. In conclusion, embracing AI as a side hustle offers numerous benefits for content creators looking to enhance their craft. From generating innovative ideas and streamlining the drafting process to improving audience engagement and monetization strategies, AI tools can significantly elevate the quality and efficiency of content creation. However, it's essential to integrate these tools thoughtfully, ensuring that they complement your unique voice and maintain authenticity. As we've discussed, transparency and ethical considerations are vital when using AI-generated content. By being open about your use of AI and actively mitigating biases, you can foster trust with your audience while delivering high-quality content. If you found this video insightful and want to explore more about leveraging AI in your content creation journey, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video and share it with fellow creators who could benefit from these tips. Your engagement helps us continue providing valuable insights and resources to help you thrive in the ever-evolving digital landscape. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.